In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to saute a chicken breast. Saute is high heat, low fat cooking. First step, you're going to drop in some blended oil, just enough to coat the bottom really well. Alright, salt and pepper. We're going skin side down. Always drop the chicken away from you. Just like that. Make sure your pan's ripping hot. Saute, high heat, low fat. And we're going to cook this the majority of the time skin side down. That's going to stop the actual meat from drying out, and it's going to give us that nice crispy skin. Salt and pepper on this side now. We only use salt and pepper because it's such a high heat that if you use anything else, it's going to burn. So just salt and pepper. Adjust your heat, bring it down to more of a medium heat. You want it hot, but it doesn't have to be ripping hot anymore. You just want to start it off nice and hot so nothing sticks, and then we're going to lower it down a little. And like I said, we're going to keep cooking it on the skin side, get that nice crispiness, and then we're going to place it into the oven to finish it off. About 5 minutes on the skin side, and you'll start to see the meat actually cooking. When you start to see this cooked line coming up, that's when we're going to go ahead. You're going to drop in about a handful of butter. Now, the butter will not burn because the oil will raise the butter's smoking temperature. Now we're going to arrose, aka basting. Get a spoon, and we're going to basically just cook this like that. Going to put that hot butter up there. That hot butter is going to help the chicken cook. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place it into the oven and finish cooking it in the oven. The key takeaways from this is that we're cooking the chicken skin side down the whole time. We're never flipping it over for too long. At the very end, we might flip it over just for a minute or two. But the point is, having the skin side down, the skin acts as a barrier so the meat actually doesn't dry out, so you have juicy chicken breast. So the sauteing, we're sauteing trying to get that nice true color. The color adds a lot of flavor, and that also adds a nice texture to the chicken skin. So now I have a 400-degree preheated oven, and I'm actually finishing cooking it all the way through in the oven. Throughout the cooking process, we're going to take it out from the oven, and you're going to give it a little arrose action just to help cook that top. And then we're going to put it back in. Now if you have a convection oven, it's a lot better because that fan will help this process go a lot faster. But if not, you just do like this, and then we're going to throw it back in. Our chicken is fully cooked. At this point, what you want to do is drop in your fresh herbs, whatever fresh herbs you like. Watch out because it's going to spark up a little bit, the moisture. Give your chicken a little flip. Always flip away from you, like this. That beautiful skin right there. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna finish basting. And what's happening is all that herb flavor is infusing into that chicken breast. So you always wanna use fresh herbs here. You can use whole garlic, whatever you want. I like thyme and rosemary. And that butter, that herb butter adds so much flavor. And as you can see, look at that beautiful skin. And that's how you cook a chicken breast correctly. This chicken is juicy, nice texture, awesome flavor every single time. That's how you need to saute your chicken breast. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it.